Hey guys, welcome back. In this class, we are going to be sketching a food truck. This is going to be a fun project. So, I have an inspiration or reference photo here. So, once we have an inspiration, next thing is we can just grab a pen and start sketching. So, I'm drawing fine lines. See that your lines are not too straight as always because this is urban sketching. So, once you find your image, next thing you have to think is what should be the focal point of the urban sketching. So suppose if your focal point is just the truck, give importance to make the truck stand out. Or if it is people, so highlight more about people. But here I have chosen truck to be my focal point. I am giving it more details to it. So next thing is I'm going on very light on outlines and putting some values and darks and lights to see how the composition looks. And you can see small details will make your produce more better. You can sketch very slowly or perfectly, or you can even sketch very quickly and messily. It's all up to you guys. You can just draw things from memory or imagination or use reference like this of objects around you so that you can draw them very easily. All the lines need not be exact proportions, just see that you're able to catch up those things whatever are in the image. Just try to picturize them in your sketchbook so that whenever you want to recall something, if you see this you'll be able to recall it nicely. So this is the importance of urban sketching, guys. Now I'm going on sketching with people. You can see I'm sketching few different people other than the same which were in the reference image, because people are always moving, and whenever you want to sketch them from a spot, they are not constant, right? They just keep on moving. So just use your imagination or creativity to make some alterations. If you're not able to see clearly what it is or what things are at far distance, just give some rough lines here and there so that it will give a good look for your sketches. Finishing it off with some highlights and then some shadow. So now going on with watercolors. You can see I'm really using very light first so that whenever I want to add in some more layers onto it, I can add in. So that's the thing, you should always use very light colors first and then go with the darker shades later on. I'm filling up all the spaces of the truck with blue. And details on the truck, I'm using some yellow. You need not color fully, leave some white spaces here and there. It will give us a rich good look. And one more thing in urban sketching is whenever you are watercoloring them, Just leave them to flow. I mean, even if it is bleeding, let them bleed. Watercolors are very perfect for urban sketching when they are bleeding. This is the one thing which I love in urban sketching because anyone can easily watercolor them. You need not always be a perfectionist when it comes to urban sketching. Each people are different with their own type of sketches. Finally, finishing it off with some gray shades and some navy blue for the shadows. So that's all, guys. This is really easy and fun, right? I hope you really enjoyed seeing this video. Thank you.